When it comes to blonde bombshell wigs for the summer, there's only one place that delivers time and time again. Rpgshow is my #1 go-to for high quality, well-made wig units, and their colored wigs are top tier. I can't believe how quickly 19 years have flown by. Rpgshow was the first wig company that I ever purchased a wig from, and I remember that day and that wig like it was yesterday. Their reputation 19 years ago is the same, if not better now. They are the top of the top. Their name literally rings bells within the wig industry. I am sending a huge happy 19th year anniversary, that is a major accomplishment, to one of my favorite wig companies in the world. Happy anniversary, Rpgshow. Join me in wishing them a happy anniversary in the comment section. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this beautiful wig. This wig is just stunning, y'all. This wig is from Rpgshow. The wig that I received is a 20-inch buttery blonde bombshell. The cap construction is a 13x6 glueless 200% density Swiss lace front wig. The hair color is same as picture, and it is a gorgeous, creamy, buttery ash blonde balayage. The wig is ready to wear straight out of the package. The lace has been pre-tinted to a light brown. The hairline has been fully plucked, and the knots have been deep bleached. The hair color job is a 10 out of 10. It is so precise and professional. They did a great job on this hair color. The wig cap construction features 3 wig combs, a removable elastic band. The ear tabs have been cut out for a comfortable fit. And this wig also has an elastic drawstring so that you can customize the fit. The drawstring is great for keeping the lace down flat when you decide to wear the wig glueless. Here is the wig straight out of the package. The density is nice and full. You can do so many different hairstyles with this fullness, and it is a 13x6 cap construction. So you get a full 6 inches of deep center parting space, and you get deep parting on the sides as well. So this wig did come with pre-tinted lace, so this step is always optional. I am going to make it a custom shade match for my complexion. So I'm grabbing 2 different colors of lace tint. The first one is the color of my foundation, and I'm going to spray that on the underside of lace where my hairline is. The second shade is the shade of my scalp. I'm going to spray that on the inner portion of lace. Okay, so I did decide to layer the front of this wig so that it can have more movement. I'm going to do cascading face framing layers in the front, and then I'm grabbing a hair wax stick and my pressing comb to smooth out the part and to also make the hairline look polished and neat. If you have made it this far into the video, hashtag hairline in the comment section. Okay, on to styling. Although the wig comes curled, I am going to recurl it because some of the curls did take the shape of the package. I'm using BioSilk's Silk Therapy Hair Serum and my Baby Bliss curling iron. I'm using bobby pins to pin each curl. Grabbing a light hold brushable hairspray, I'm going to spray the curls to set them. So now it is time to cut off the extra lace. I'm using a pair of scissors and I'm going to slice the extra lace down the center to divide it into 2 sections. And then I'm grabbing a pair of pinking shears to cut right in front of the hairline, following the natural curves. This is a glueless wig cap construction, so adhesive is not necessary, but I will be installing this wig today with adhesive. Holding the wig on its side, I'm going to spray a thin layer of Wonder Lace Bond to the edge of the lace and then blow dry for a few seconds. Grabbing the wig, I'm going to place it on my head in its proper placement and then gently press the lace into my skin. The wig cap has an adjustable cord for you to customize the fit, so I'm just going to tighten that on my head. So here's how the wig looks without baby hairs. Baby hairs are always optional, but I did decide to do some on the sides off camera. Now it is time to remove the pins. This wig is so beautiful. I felt like a movie star wearing it. The color, the texture, the curls, everything was perfect. 10 out of 10. Are you loving this blonde balayage bombshell wig as much as I am? Let's chat everything this wig and RPG show in the comment section. 19 years of setting trends, 19 years of elevated wig creations, 19 years of being one of the top, if not the top, wig companies in the world. Happy anniversary, RPG show. Wishing you many, many, many more. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and share, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.